Good evening, everyone. It's my absolute pleasure to welcome you all to the annual gala of the Indian American Coalition of Central Texas. What an incredible evening. We have our esteemed elected officials, we have our distinguished chief guest, and most important of all, the real VIPs, that's all you. Somehow you all found a parking space and happened to make it here in time. A big applause for that. Let me start my speech with a short story. Post-pandemic, our communities got hit with a severe winter freeze. If you guys remember, we were out of power, water shortages, and spotty internet connection for a few days. During one of those days, I was trying to take my car out and drive. Then I noticed my neighbors across, Deborah and Todd, they're a little older couple. They were trying to move a tree trunk which had fallen on the driveway. So I just went and offered to help. While I was helping, a few more neighbors joined us, and we all started to work together. Soon I realized a small effort had become like a teamwork. You know, some were chopping the tree trunks, some were clearing the debris, some were clearing the driveway. And some were sharing their stories, COVID times, and some were sharing some supplies. At that moment, I kind of realized that there was so much to know about my community. During that time, I came to know that Deborah and Todd actually were going through some lonely time because their kids had left to college and they were really depressed about it. And I didn't even know my neighbor Tammy was going through a really bad divorce and she had lost her job during COVID time. And my neighbor across the street, Jose, he had a local grocery store, so he was offering to bring in free groceries to anyone in need. Something happened that day. Something changed in the surroundings and our connections. The small houses in the neighborhood had become like a community. And that's when I realized community is not where we live. It is where we create. So this is the essence of building bridges and strengthening bonds, the theme for today's gala. In today's world where divisions is becoming like the dominant headlines everywhere, the real strength is in reaching out to people, fostering connections, and standing together. And that's what the real community is. Here we are to celebrate and re-emphasize and reaffirm our commitment to education, civic empowerment, and empowerment. See, at IACT organization, our main goal or motive is to strive for that civic engagement. You know, we are here to amplify our South Asian voices, address any concerns, and make sure our contributions and achievements are heard. We have really bigger initiatives through IACT too. We have initiatives like Candidate Forum, which we partner with many other organizations to bring in elected officials or contestants contesting for the election to propose their plan and policies so that South Asian community people can make informed voting decisions and hold those elected candidates accountable. One of the most impactful ways IACT has been doing is by investing in empowering and educating our younger generation. Our IACT Summer Student Internship Program is a great, incredible opportunity for young South Asian students to get a first-hand experience in government where they get to intern in city and state offices during summer. Now, this opportunities helps them to foster, to become future leaders or great active community members. But this year, we need more support from all of you guys. One of our partner organization will not be funding us anymore for this from this summer onwards. Sumita here will be talking more about the summer student internship a little later, but I personally would like to request and encourage you all to please donate generously so that we can keep continuing this program from IACT. In spite of all these things, there is still so much more to do. Apart from building bridges, we also need to strengthen bonds. Strengthen bonds with different cultures, different generations, different institutions, so that we ensure that our community is growing strong and stable and we stand united. And when I say our community, I'm not just referring to the South Asian community alone here. I am talking about all the communities across. Only when we come together as one community, all of us, whatever the community we belong to, only when we come together as one community, we can thrive. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our supporters, sponsors, IACT members, and partners who have been standing with us. I would like to especially thank all the elected officials who are here today or who got elected to serve all our communities selflessly. If you can please stand up wherever you are, all the elected officials and representatives, for a minute please. We would like to give them all a big applause for all the selfless work, for all the volunteer work, for serving our community in such a great way. Thank you all. Your presence here is a reminder that if we all work together, we can really make a difference. Lastly, I would like to thank my awesome IACT team who has put their heart and soul to make this event successful. Thank you all, our IACT board members. To conclude, I would like to say, let's all celebrate our achievements, reflect on our responsibilities, and make sure that we are ready and energized to travel our journey ahead. I guess we'll be needing that a lot for the next 4 years. Sorry. But together, let's continue to educate, empower, engage each other, and keep these communities going. Okay? Thank you, and I hope you all have a great evening here. Before I leave the stage, I would like to take a minute to introduce the next awesome person who's going to come on the stage here. So, give me 1 second. I'd like to talk a little bit more about this person. I would like to introduce next a long-time friend and supporter of the Indian American community. You guys must have guessed it. Congressman Lloyd Doggett represents Austin from Lakeland Mall in the northwest of the Hays County line. You may have seen him at the celebration of Diwali, our gala here. He's always supporting our community. Since the beginning of his service in Congress, he has been a member of the Indian Caucus, a group of members who take particular interest in the U.S. relationship with India. He believes that diversity is America's strength and is a tireless advocate for immigration reform. So please welcome Congressman Lloyd Doggett.